हाय गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। तो दोस्तों, आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ कि फ़्लिपकार्ट कैसे धोखाधड़ी करता है। तो आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको फ़्लिपकार्ट के साथ जो मेरा कॉन्वर्जेसन हुआ था उसके बारे में मैं वो शेयर करूँगा आपके साथ, जिसमें फ़्लिपकार्ट के एग्जीक्यूटिव ने खुद बोला है कि मैंने टोटल 90 कंप्लेंट्स किया था रिफ़ंड के लिए, लेकिन फिर भी रिफ़ंड नहीं मिला था। उसके अलावा मैं 6 महीने से फॉलोअप कर रहा हूँ। उसके अलावा फ़्लिपकार्ट टीम ने भी कॉल अप करके मेरे से हमेशा यही बात पूछते थे कि सर आपको क्या रिफ़ंड मिला, लेकिन वो लोग रिफ़ंड इनिशिएट नहीं कर रहे थे अपने साइड से। तो इस कन्वर्जेशन में उनके साथ थोड़ा मैं मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही कुछ भड़क गया था उनके ऊपर, क्योंकि बार बार वो एक ही चीज़ पूछते हैं कि सर क्या आपका रिफ़ंड मिला। सर आप रिफ़ंड करोगे तो मेरे को ज़रूर मिलेगा, बट आप जब रिफ़ंड ही नहीं कर रहे हैं तो मेरे को मिलेगा कहाँ से। ऊपर से आप पूछते हो कि सर क्या आपको रिफ़ंड मिला। तो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको पूरा फ़्लिपकार्ट के साथ जो कन्वर्जेसन हुआ था वो मैं सुनाऊँगा। और साथ ही साथ कॉन्वर्जेसन इंग्लिश में है तो माफ़ कीजिएगा, क्योंकि उस टाइम मेरे को ध्यान नहीं रहा और मैं इंग्लिश में बात करता चला गया। लेटर ऑन बाद में मैं सोचा कि अगर मैं ये शेयर करता हूँ तो शायद दूसरे को मदद मिल जाए, क्योंकि इसमें भी हुआ यूँ था कि फ़्लिपकार्ट ने मेरे से अपना पर्सनल अकाउंट डिटेल्स मांगा। उन्होंने बोला कि हम मैनुअली रिफ़ंड प्रोसीड करेंगे और बार बार यही बोलते थे कि सर 7 डेज़ का टाइम दे दीजिए, हम रिफ़ंड कर रहे हैं। और बीच में तो हुआ यूँ था कि मेरे को उन्होंने यूटीआर नंबर दे दिया और यूटीआर नंबर दे के बोलते कि सर हमारे साइड से रिफ़ंड इनिशिएट हो गया है, आप अपने बैंक में चेक कीजिए। जब मैं बैंक में गया तो बैंक बोलता है कि जिस पर्सन ने रिफ़ंड इनिशिएट किया है उनके बैंक में चेक कर सकते, लेकिन हमारे बैंक में नहीं चेक कर सकते यूटीआर नंबर के द्वारा। तो फिर उसके रिगार्डिंग भी थोड़ा इश्यू फेस हुआ। उसके बाद में जाके पता चला कि जो यूटीआर नंबर उन्होंने दिया है वो किसी और ट्रांजैक्शन का है, यानी जो ट्रांजैक्शन का बात वो कर रहे थे या जो भी वो बोल रहे थे कि हमने रिफ़ंड कर दिया है, ये आपका यूटीआर नंबर है, वो एक्चुअल में वो यूटीआर नंबर उस रिफ़ंड का था ही नहीं, उन्होंने दूसरे यूटीआर नंबर दे रखे थे। तो बाद में ये भी पता चला। तो इस कॉन्वर्जेसन में मैंने इसके रिगार्डिंग भी थोड़ा कस्टमर केयर के ऊपर भड़का हूँ। तो चलिए सुनते हैं कि कंप्लीट कॉन्वर्जेसन सुनते हैं कि क्या हुआ, क्या क्या मैं पूछा और वो क्या क्या बोले। उन्होंने ए तक मेंशन किया है कि मैंने टोटल 90 कंप्लेंट्स किया है फ़्लिपकार्ट को रिगार्डिंग माई रिफ़ंड, बट फिर भी अभी तक रिफ़ंड नहीं मिला है और ये लास्ट 6 महीने से ऐसा सिलसिला चल रहा है। तो चलिए आइए देखते हैं कि कॉन्वर्जेसन में क्या बोलते हैं।
My name
हेलो।
is Jayant and I am calling from Flipkart Travel. Can I please speak to Mr. Sanjeev Yadav?
गो अहेड सर।
Thank you, sir, for confirming your name. So this call is regarding your refund-related issue for the flight from Bengaluru to Jaipur. So is it a good time to talk?
यस, गो अहेड।
Thank you, sir. Sir, as the bank details were updated for the refund amount of 3,468 rupees. So I want to confirm that, sir, have you received the refund amount of 3,468 rupees?
Sir, why can't you check from your side, sir? Why every time you guys will call up, you say me to wait for 24 to 48 hours, but I never get refund. I'm waiting from past 15-20 days, and every day or every second day you people will call me. You will ask, have you received the refund? If I say no, okay, fine, sir. We will inform our team. Apart from that, what you
Yes,
people
sir.
can do? Tell me.
Because sir, there was update from the team that from 25th June, the refund will be credited within 3 business days.
So after that, haven't they give you any update that they have refunded
Because
or not?
sir, the UTR number is not yet generated, but the refund is under process. So it may be credited or will credit within 24 to 48 hours.
So again, you're saying me to wait for 24 to 48 hours, right?
Yes, sir. If the refund is not credited, because it is already under process, sir.
Hardly it takes 2 to 3 seconds, or like if it is NEFT, it takes 2 hours. The technology is so fast. But you bloody buggers are every day you will say it is under process. UTR number is not generated. We will check. We will inform our team. That's all you people are doing.
Yes, sir. I understand that, sir. Please.
What
But
you
please
understand from
use for a
December? From December, this is now like from tomorrow, day after tomorrow, it will be July. Almost 6 months I have waited. Still, I have not received my refund. It's not 1, 2, or 1 week or 2 week. It is 6 months. From these many days, I am quiet because I had patience, but I don't have even a % of patience now.
I'm really sorry for the delay, sir. But please rest assured the refund is already under process, and within 24 to 48 hours, it will definitely credited into
And
your
if it doesn't come within 24 to
Bank of
48
Baroda.
hours, then what you will do? Tell me.
And it will definitely come.
No, you just tell me
Refunded, sir, because
if I don't receive within 24 to 48 hours, then what you will do? You are saying to wait. Okay,
I'm
fine, I will wait. But you tell me like if I don't receive within 24 to 48 hours, then what you will do? You don't have any answer?
yes, sir. I can escalate this to the concerned team, sir.
You
That's
can
what I can
escalate.
do,
The
sir.
same thing you can do it now, right now, because as you said, it was like on 25th, your team has updated that they have processed the refund, and all it's
Yes, sir.
already like today is 20,
Within
today is 29.
3 business days, sir. Yes, sir.
So it's
So
almost like if you take
today is
it as
the
business days, also it is completing 3 business days.
yes, sir. It is 3 business days are not yet completed, sir, because there was Sunday uh,
Okay.
before yesterday.
So 25th,
Yes, sir.
25th, 26th, 27th was Sunday, 28th, and today is 29th. So today is the 5th day. So
Yes,
if
sir.
you remove one day also, it is 4 days. So if you remove today also, it is like almost it has completed 3 days.
Yes, sir. But sir, as per the team, the refund should have been credited within 3 business days. So I am really sorry for the delay. If you have not received the refund yet, please wait for 24 to 48 hours
No,
because it is already
I am
under
fine.
process.
I said right now. I said right. I will wait for 24 to 48 hours. I am asking like if I don't receive within that time, then what you will do?
And then, sir, concerned team will check that what is the issue exactly, why the refund has not been credited, because from their end the refund has already been initiated.
So can you transfer your call to the concerned team right now?
No, sir, this option is not available.
Okay. Can you give me any contact number of your Flipkart acceleration team, because they used to follow up my case, but now they are also not calling me up from past 10 days.
Yes, sir. I'm really sorry for that, sir. Their number is not available. We have the Flipkart Travel customer care number. You can call on that 1800-258-3535
What's the use of
for any
calling?
concern.
They will say we will raise a complaint, wait for 24 to 48 hours. The same thing I'm hearing from past 6 months. There is nothing new to hear.
But sir, right now the refund is under process. Sir, please try to understand.
I
It can
see.
credit any time, sir, into your bank account.
From 6 months I am waiting. That means you can think like how much I have waited and how much I have
Yes,
understood.
sir.
But still, if you are saying me to try to understand, then sorry, boss, I can't.
So the refund is already under process.
Okay, fine then. Disconnect the call. Wait, I will wait for 28 to 48 hours or 3 days, 5 days, 6 days, how much ever days you want. No worries, because I have waited for 6 months. Still, I can wait for 6 months. What can I do? What else can I do?
No, sir. No, sir. It will not take much more time now.
That I am hearing from past 6 months. That is, there is nothing new to hear from you or from anyone, any of your Flipkart team.
Okay, sir. I am also escalating this case to the supervisor so that they could check and provide the UTR number if already generated.
See, UTR number is not a resolution. I need the refund. That is a resolution. Last time also they gave me the UTR number, but when I find it out, that was a UTR number of different transaction. Then they say, so your team said sorry, it was our mistake. So UTR number is again not a resolution to my query, because you will give some UTR number of some other transaction, then I have to run behind the banks, and later on you will say, sorry sir, sorry, it was our mistake.
I am really sorry for the trouble, sir, you had, but this time we will do our best so that this thing will not happen again. And we'll provide you the correct UTR number that will be a proof that transaction has been done from our side.
Okay, you tell me when was last, like from how much time I am waiting? Please check and tell me first.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Please give me a time. Give me a moment. Sir, your travel date was on 1st April 2020, and it is quite a long, old case, sir.
Yeah, quite 2020 April was the travel date. My first complaint which I had raised on this was 20th December 2020, and from
Yes,
that
sir.
till now, how many complaints, how many mails I have sent? You can see that.
Yes, sir.
Can you count it? Can you tell me the number if possible?
Yes, sir. Please give me a moment, sir. Sir, around 90.
Around 90. So like if I again call you, or if I say send another 10 mails, then it will be century, right?
Yes, sir.
And
But sir,
yeah, tell.
this situation will not come that you will have to contact us again and send us mails, because the refund is already under process, sir, and it can credit any time, sir, within 24 to 48 hours.
Okay,
So
fine,
this
sir.
situation will
I
not
agree with you. But what I am saying is, whoever calls me, they say the same thing, and again after some days, somebody else will call. They will again ask, have you received your amount? If I say no, okay, fine, wait for 24 to 48 hours, and like this, how it is going. And you have only said that I have done 90 complaints, so you can understand what is the level of your resolution. And it's not like I'm shouting simply. Till now, I never spoke rash to any of the customer executive, because I to know that it is not under your control. You are just doing a part of job, or you are just saying whatever update you have got. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That also I can understand. But still, you people will call, you will ask, and there is no resolution. Then what should we do?
Okay, sir. I will mention the team that next call will be done only when the refund will be credited after checking it from our side.
Okay, but how long? I need a time frame, because you are saying to wait for 24 to 48 hours. That is fine, I will wait. But is it sure that I will get the refund?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Okay, fine. I have recorded this call. If I don't get definitely, then next definitely what I will do, that Flipkart team will see.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you for choosing Flipkart Travel, sir. Have a nice day.
था टोटल कंप्लीट कॉन्वर्जेशन, जो माफ़ी चाहूँगा इंग्लिश में था। समझ लाइक कोई होगा जिसे अगर इंग्लिश नहीं आता होगा तो प्रॉब्लम होगा। बट अगर कोई भी आपको क्वेरी है, कुछ भी रहे, तो आप मेरे को कमेंट कीजिए। मैं आपको जितना हो सके मदद करूँगा, क्योंकि मैं भी इस चीज़ से गुज़र रहा हूँ और मेरा भी रिफ़ंड अभी तक नहीं आया। लास्ट अभी ये तो 7वां महीना चल रहा है मेरा। और जैसे कि मैंने बोला था कि मैंने कंज्यूमर कोर्ट में कंप्लेंट किया है, तो मेरा कंज्यूमर कोर्ट में जो कंप्लेंट किया था वो अप्रूव हो गया है, और मेरा फर्स्ट डेट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिशन कल था, जो कि 8 जुलाई को था। मैंने डॉक्यूमेंट सारे सबमिट कर दिए हैं। अब देखते हैं आगे का प्रोसीजर क्या है। तो अपकमिंग वीडियो में मैं इसके रिगार्डिंग भी वीडियो बनाऊँगा। एक्चुअली मेरे को लीगल नोटिस के बारे में भी वीडियो बनाना था, लेकिन ड्यू टू मेरा जो मेरा सिस्टम है वो OBS पे नहीं चल पा रहा है, तो मैं नहीं बना पा रहा हूँ। तो मैं जल्द से जल्द लीगल नोटिस के बारे में भी वीडियो बनाऊँगा, और आगे कैसे कैसे क्या क्या प्रोसीजर होगा, जो भी होगा मैं आपको अपडेट करता रहूँगा, और कैसे करना है ये भी बताते चलूँगा। तो चलिए मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। और मैं एक और रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा, प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, और हो सके तो वीडियोस को शेयर करें ताकि दूसरे को भी मदद मिल सके। थैंक यू, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।